Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite 2 players on PlayStation 5. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and updated. This ensures the game runs smoothly. You will also need two fully charged DualSense controllers, both connected wirelessly or via USB cable. Finally, confirm that each player has a unique Epic Games account prepared for login. This preparation saves time and gets you into the action faster. After Fortnite loads to the main lobby, look for the on-screen prompt for player 2 to join. The second player should simply hold down the triangle button on their DualSense controller for a few seconds. This action will bring up a login screen for them to sign into their PlayStation Network account. Once logged in, their character will appear in the lobby alongside player 1, ready for the next step. With both players in the lobby, it is time to choose your preferred game mode. Most Battle Royale modes, such as duos, trios, and squads, support split-screen play on the PlayStation 5. Before jumping in, take a moment to visit the game settings. Here, you can fine-tune visual settings, like brightness or contrast, to suit both players' preferences. Ensuring these adjustments are made helps provide a smooth, enjoyable experience. Effective teamwork is crucial for success when playing Fortnite in split-screen. Always use your microphone or in-game pings to communicate enemy positions and loot. Remember to share resources like shield potions, medical kits, and different ammunition types, ensuring neither player is at a disadvantage. Staying close together, perhaps within 20 to 30 meters, allows for rapid support in firefights and quick revives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.